let's get to cooking. So I went to the store and I got some minced up beef. So I was like, might as well try to make some tacos. It's not the tacos that I usually like. I don't care because we got to try something different. So that's what we're doing. So we got the minced up beef and we're gonna make tacos out of it because, so we're gonna, you guys are very close to me. Back up. There we go. So we're gonna dump our meat in here. Just like that. So we're gonna throw some Szechuan in here. We're gonna throw some ground cumin. Some salt. A little bit of Mexican chili powder. Some pepper. And that's it. What I'm also going to use is a lime. I'm using one whole lime. So I'm going to use one whole lime as well. Yep. We're going to use an orange too as well. Squeeze it so the seeds don't go out. I'm going to use that orange. There. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to smash it all up. Make sure to get that good little marinade on it. I know once it get a little warm back out again, springtime, I think I'm gonna try to make carne asada on the grill. So we're gonna let this sit and marinate for about 30 minutes. Overnight is preferred, but 30 minutes to do too. So I want to make some Spanish rice. So what I'm going to do is add a little bit of olive oil to it. So we got some rice. We're going to get about We're going to use about 2 cups of rice, or a cup and a half. It's just me, so cup and a half of rice. So we're going to move this around and let it get a little golden brown to it. So I thought I was recording, but I added some this seasoning, some ground cumin, and a little bit of salt and pepper to it. So now we're just gonna let this cook. Please don't judge. I don't have a top to it, so I'm just gonna cover it like that. So the meat has been cooking. That's all we need right here. And now we're gonna cut the heat off a little bit. Well, I'm gonna let it get a little more. The heat has been cooking. The meat has been cooking. So now it's time to eat. So, got my cast iron skillet, and I'm just going to not too hot. Just gonna throw them up in there. So now, just gonna add our corn tortilla, and now I'm just gonna add a little bit of cheese to it. So now I'm just gonna fold it up. Just let the cheese melt on it. Our Spanish rice. Some of our meat in there. Onions. And a little bit of cilantro. So look at how good this looks right here. This is good eats. So let's give it a try. Gotta try the Spanish rice. I give it a 6 out of 10. I'm gonna be real. That still tastes a little too much tomato for me. But the rice is nice and fluffy. Good flavor to it. It's just a little too much tomato for me. Let me try the taco. How good this looks. Flavorful. Honestly, the only thing that's missing is some salsa. I wish I would have bought some salsa, but this is the hit. What to say? This is really good. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, man. Keep the vibes good and the eats even better. Peace.